Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Samsung phone without the password. And if you forgot this for whatever reason, you can still do it. Just swipe on down from the top right and go to power and completely power off your phone. We're going to launch our phone into the recovery menu. Now to launch this into the recovery mode, it is kind of weird how they do this. You need a USB cable connected specifically to a PC or a laptop. Now you could try a different charging source. I heard like some people tried like a headset. You could try the back of the TV, a PlayStation or Xbox. You just need it charging from that source. But specifically it says a PC is required. Now when your phone is turned off, plug this in and wait for it to charge. And you're going to see the charging symbol pop up on your screen. If you do have it connected properly, then go to the power button and the volume up and hold these down. Now, nothing might happen after about 10 to 15 seconds. If nothing happens, the symbol goes away, let go, and then hold it down again. And for some reason, that second time makes this work. So it's going to restart to the Samsung logo now. And then we can unplug this if we don't want this plugged in, but here's the recovery screen. We can go on down to where it says wipe data. We want to go on down to wipe data, factory reset. Use the volume down and then power to select. And then we can select this one more time. And then we have to do it one more time to wipe everything on our phone. Then we're going to have to sign back in with our Google account. So if you forgot everything, unfortunately this is going to delete a lot of your pictures, well, everything. Now you can use some apps to try to recover them, but hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.